Did you plan to pursue music? Did you want to do that even before you got to that point of choosing a college? Or did you go to Edna Manley for something else and then you ended up in music? Can you tell us?
It's two things. My mom also went to Enamale College, but she went there for visual arts. So there was that influence. But outside of that, it's always been music. Even from in high school, I always knew I wanted to do something in music. It just wasn't the singing part, not in a
Oh.
big way. I would do supporting vocals. But for me, what I wanted to do was sound engineering or music therapy. Those are the things that I wanted to do. But God has a very funny sense of humor. And so going through college, as I said, persons would say to me, you belong on the stage. I'm like, I don't. And here I am.
Mhm.